Okay. So it actually was working well. So today we are going to see that advanced concept of the routing, and then we'll also be doing source net. Okay. Ramu will join in how much time? Arun, if you can confirm once, that will be
We'll
helpful.
join in.
Bhaskar ji, I think tomorrow and day after tomorrow you will have time to do the lab, right? So is this good if you are giving you credential? If you have seen
Yes,
yesterday,
yes, sure, sure. That will be
okay, good. So like what time you will prefer? Just send message in the chat group. Okay, no issue. I'll be just turning on the VM and give you credentials. Okay.
sure.
Yes. That's why we created group so that I can communicate with you all. So right now you are communicating with Arun, then Arun is coming to me. Then in that way it is happening. So what we'll be doing now, we will be going and creating profile actually, and that profile will be for redistribution profile, by the way, and that redistribution profile we are going to attach inside our routing table. I'm going to give you complete idea. Just allow me a second. Okay. So what I'm saying here is go to network, go inside your virtual router, click on it, go inside redistribution profile. If you have any, I'm deleting it so we can create it. I tried it at the same time, it was working. Wow. So do we have any here inside export rules? It has one, it is showing. So let me delete it also. That's all right. Now, what we will be doing here, we are going inside the redistribution profile. We'll click on add. Very simple as usual. It has all the things very easily available. Same thing we are going to do. First of all, it is saying redistribution. No redistribution is selected already. We'll be clicking on redistribution. It means this profile will help us to redistribute. Okay. And name I'm giving redistribute for OSPF. So one profile I'm creating that will be happening for OSPF especially. So what route you want to inject inside your OSPF table, that is BGP connected as well as OSPF. So these, no, not OSPF, OSPF itself has all RIP. Okay. These three routes we are going to inject inside OSPF domain. Okay. Yes. So nothing need to do apart from it. You need to give here and give go here and give the priority anything from 1 to 255, and whatever priority you are giving, that means in the list, if you have, let's suppose, multiple you are applying in the distribution which will have good priority, that will be selected one. Less is good. So by the way, I'm giving here 10. That's all right. And done. Just wait. It doesn't take more. Yeah, now it is gone. That issue was there. More than 16 characters are not allowed. Oh, again it is gone. It is gone. So redist, that is okay for OSPF. Click on OK. Simple, nothing additional I've done, sir. If you see Bhaskarji, so I just have given name, given the priority, and selected the thing. And for whom I'm doing this so that I can go inside my now OSPF table, and after going there, I'll be doing what I will saying. Hey, listen, router engine. You take all the other routes from BGP connected routes and rip route and inject those routes inside OSPF domain. It means what will happen? It means once I'll be selecting this particular redistribution profile, this route that is downside between R1 and Palo Alto, this route that is between your Palo Alto and R2, these two routes and connected interfaces will automatically injected inside your R4 routing table and R3 routing table. OSPF routing table, I mean to say. Why? Because you are going and injecting it. Wow. And for that, we created profile. I hope so it's making sense, sir. Come on, tell me. Sir, waiting for your acknowledgement. Going good? Bhaskar ji, click on OK. One more I am going to create, and that I'll be creating for RIP. And for that, I again will click on add. Simply, I will go here and type redistribution for RIP. And inside my RIP, I want to inject BGP routes, connected routes, and OSPF routes. Okay, good. And here I'll be giving again. And okay. Oops, one thing I made mistake. If you have seen, let me tell you what is that. So simply, if I will click on it, I need to select this redistribution. Yes. Okay. This is done. Yes, this is done. Good. What else we need to do? Now we'll be going one by one. I'll be going inside OSPF. We'll go inside export rules. Yes. Here we can attach that redistribution profile. I'll be going here and we'll click on add. We'll give the name. Inject RIP connected. Let's see. And BGP. This is just a name. Now something is very important here, Bhaskarji, and that is what it is saying. What path type you want to inject there? There is two, external one and external two. Any guess if you want to make? Yes, sir. Very, very quiet. I hope you are speaking, but if you are speaking on mute, kindly unmute. So inside your routing table, especially your route shown like O. O means what? O means OSPF. If sometime like something is coming through redistribution, that shows as OE. What is that? OE. And there will be type OE1 or OE2. This type of routes you will see. It means external route 1, external route 2. What is the difference in both? There is difference in metric calculation. Okay. This is the main difference. That's it. This is totally on you. Which one you want to inject? All right. Yeah. Simply, I'm going.
Sir, is there any thumb rule that what we should prioritize?
Yeah. So there is not a specific one. That again depends as per the requirement. What happens? What is the difference in both? That is the main thing that we need to understand. Correct? In one, it keep adding the cost. Let's suppose some route came from somewhere else. Let's suppose we have one table. Let me take another color first of all. We have a table. It has RIP routes. Big table we have, right? In our Palo Alto routing engine. So we have OSPF routes. We have BGP routes. We have connected and static route. Okay. These all the things will be in a very big table that is known as your routing table or global routing table inside your firewall box. Getting it? Now what we are doing, you are already getting it. We are doing what? We created one profile. And inside that profile, we attached BGP. We attached RIP. We attached connected. correct? And now what we are going to do, because we attached already in this particular profile, we are going in and applying that policy, this particular profile, we are going and injecting inside OSPF. Now understanding? So what will happen from this table and connected routes, they will be going and injected inside your OSPF domain. Is that clear? So far clear, I hope, right? Now, once they are injected, it means your Palo Alto itself is going to propagate your all the neighbors. It's all the neighbors about these routes. Once it will propagate, so what happens once you are propagating your any network with your neighbors, there are some seed metric you always put in. Getting it? Yeah. Seed metric means what is the cost for reaching this particular network. Are you with me? So in the case you are redistributing, these routes already will have some seed metric. Tell me yes, no. Is that correct? They already will have some connected cost or metric with them. Yes, no? Agree?
Yes, agreed.
Yes. So in the case you want to add those costs and then you want to send to your neighbors through redistribution, then you will be selecting external one or external two. There is one confusion in that. I'll be checking. Wait, what happens? By the way, we not need to check. We'll be doing it. I'll be showing you after that. Wait. And this is one type. If your cost you want to add and you want to propagate complete calculated cost, that is one thing. And second one is, if you are selecting external one, then what it will do, it will simply discard all the cost and it by default will send some cost that is by default set. It will not add all the cost. It means your neighbor, once it will get that particular route, it will come to know, okay, it has very less cost. It means it is good route, right? Because cost less, good route. So this is the only main difference between these two. This add costs and this let it be static only. Cost is not going to be changed. Main difference, right? Now, if you are saying which one is the mostly used, the answer will be little bit diplomatic answer will be there. Again, in technology, things are used as per the requirement. Correct? Yes. Mostly time you will be seeing OE2. Most of default one you will see external 2. So now you can say this is most used. Okay. In general, you will see always external 2 1. Okay. I'm going to show you, no worry. So far making sense, sir? You want to make any tag? You can. Don't tag, huh? This is that metric that you want to give. Cost. Anything from 1 to 65,535. Let's suppose I'm giving 10. All right? Yes. Not need to give any name. Wait a second. Which one we created, sir? We created one profile for OSPF, right? This for OSPF. All right. Now it is good. So far going good? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I need to give here. Let's suppose I'm giving seed metric as 10. This is known as seed metric. Okay. Okay. I'll be giving you a more significant idea. Don't worry. Just be with me. Let me do it first. Then I'll be going and telling you. So this was done for this one, by the way. And let's go ahead inside your RIP. For that also we created one. And what we'll do, click on add. This is Redis for 1 second. Export rule. How we did for OSPF. Clicked on add. And in RIP, I'm going and clicking on add. A little different. And here it is asking for metric to be given. Again, this is again seed metric. You give it here and click on OK. Done. It means you applied, by the way. Now you can go and check it. Here in export rule, you have given this one. Come outside, buddy. Inside your RIP, you have given here, this one. Okay. Why I have not given for BGP? I do not want to tell my BGP table about my internal network. That's why I have not done it. Okay. Anyhow, that is not recommended also for anybody. Let's go ahead and click on commit. Let it go ahead. And once it will be done, I'm going to show you that I wanted to show. Wait. Ramu, with us?
Yes, yes.
Okay. This part rarely some person will tell you. Anyhow, but that is really important. That's why I'm telling. So like, will there be any change? Yeah, there will be change. Go now in R3 and you will see different routes here. Show IP route, OSPF. Not saved yesterday, really? Oh man. Bhaskar ji, what is happening?
Kindly kindly allow my request from the laptop.
You are doing something? Are you doing something? Hello?
Yes, I had joined from my phones actually.
Okay. Arun ji.
To-
Hello. Arun is there. Arun, can you please allow him? Let me call him. Huh? Actually, his shift is start in this time. He has some other shift also. Okay. And that will be very, smaller in size, right? Where is Arunji? Here is. Hi, Arun. Can you please check once? Are you in?
No, it is shown as 40. No, not yet. Yes, I have signed in.
Done. I called him. He also I think he was not at the system. That's why not hearing us. Okay, so let's go real quick. Network. Yes.
Sir, I'm very much sorry to say. Can you please repeat the last thing, the
Redistribution.
redistribution part? Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. No, why not? No need to say any sorry, huh? Definitely. So what we did, it is done by the way. So we simply went inside our virtual router that you are pretty much aware about. I went inside redistribution profile and here I created two profile. Okay.
Yes. OSPF and RIP. Fine.
One for OSPF and one redistribution profile for RIP. Correct. So what I want to do actually inside RIP, I want to distribute BGP routes, OSPF routes, and connected routes inside our Palo Alto. Correct.
Okay.
And inside OSPF, I want to redistribute BGP routes, connected routes, and RIP routes. And in BGP, I don't want to share any route with them because who is going to tell?
This is an internal routes actually, so it does not required to redistribute with PGP. Once it is
Exactly.
done, one-sided it is done, it is okay.
Yes. So once profile is created, then I went inside OSPF,
Mhm.
clicked on export rules, and here I attached that one. That's it. How I attach? Simply once I will click on this add button, it will give me option to select here. I selected that profile that I made for
Okay.
OSPF,
Yes,
selected the
yes, okay.
type of external one and whatever, then put the seed metric. This is seed metric, by the way. It means
Yeah.
whatever routes now will be sent to your neighbor, like as a Palo Alto, you have
Priority.
two neighbors. Hmm?
Is it the sort of priority we need to set?
It's not priority, it is cost or metric, you can say.
Yeah, it is, but cost. Okay, no problem.
In OSPF, we say metric as cost. In other vendors, the name are little different. But in
Yes.
short, they are metric. Metric and AT is the main parameter once you our routing
Yes, yes,
development.
yes, yes.
So this one done. And in RIP, it is very simple. If you go here inside export rule, it directly will give you option to select here once you will click on add.
Okay, okay, okay. The
In
which one is selected by that protocol name that you have to select and click and
yes,
proceed.
yes. Very simple one actually. Very easy.
Yep.
I don't know like why it is not working day before you start. Sorry for that. Very simple. I think I clicked here and there multiple times. It might create some mesh. That's all right. No issue. Good.
Yep. Yep. Thank you so much.
No issue. Thank you so much. So. Now I think we should go literally very fast on R1, R2, R3, R4. I just closed Notepad. Notepad closed. Where is that one? Wait, sir, a second. If that is saved, that is really good. If not saved, that will be creating issue for us. Okay, here is that. Router 4 configuration. I'll be saving it now because I saved or not, I'm not sure, but it should be interface E0 by 0, IP, OSPF network, point to point. One and done. Let's go on. 3. I'm doing it in backend. I just stopped sharing screen.
Yes.
And what about R1? Is there RIP is running? Okay, again going to share the screen. Let me go inside my Palo Alto and we'll see here what things we used at the time of BGP. We used not local preference, sorry. Our AS number is 10. Okay. What is the remote AS number? Like peer one is the, where is the peer? eBGP is good. I'm good. My AS number is this. Okay. Here is this is 20. Okay. 20 and my firewall has 10. Okay. So I'll be going on the R2. Router BGP 20. Neighbor 192.1.10.10, right? Is that 10.100 or 10.10? Okay. Remote AS is 10. And after that network, we want to propagate as 11.1.1.0. Mask will be 255.255.255.0. Network will be 111.1.1.0. Mask will be 255.255.255.0. Done. All right, sir. And I'll be going here and saving it for longer use. All the things I will save because we cannot afford multiple times to do the same configuration. R1, R2, R3 is saved. What about R4? Let me save. R4, R3. Okay, good. Now, if I will go inside my R3, let me show you. Show IP route. Are you able to see the routes, sir? OE2?
OE2, yes.
Yes.
So
Allow me
E2 means it is an external one, right?
external 2.
I mean, no, not a
E
numeric
means
one. It is a
external route.
external
Redistributed one.
route. Yes. Okay.
Mhm. And what is the significance? That is very important part actually.
Hmm.
What is E1 and what is E2? That is literally important and interviewer asks sometime. I don't know. Like, I think you are not worried about interview.
No, the main difference is what? E1 or U2. Just it's a what I have selected. That's
Yeah,
it.
there is difference. Okay. And what is the difference actually? Once you are saying external 2, by default, most of the cases you will see external 2 route. All right. And what it does actually. So if there is external 2 route,
The cost is low.
cost is not added. Like cost will be constant throughout where it is going. Let's suppose now your DMZ3 router is connected with another router that also has running OSPF. So once
Okay.
it will propagate this one, so most probably route should be like cost should be added, right? Cost
Yes.
means because it got that
Matrix.
particular route, yeah, matrix should be increased. So it will not increase. It will make it constant if it is E2. 10,
Okay.
10 will be sent to another one also.
Okay.
Okay. And if you are
And
putting here,
in case of E1, the cost
will be added.
will be increased.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Good.
Yes. Okay.
So see, here you have showing it. So in
E2.
the case you want to see it really, this route belong to whom, by the way? 192.110.0. This is someone that is external BGP one, right? Uh, Most probably OSPF has given it some cost, right? So OSPF 10, we are on 3. 10.4 will be most probably its neighbor. Yes, no?
Ethernet 0x0.
You are saying here cost is added, yes, no?
Yes. 21.
We are not going to make bigger topology, so just I'm telling it. So in the case your R4 has shared its route with Palo Alto using redistribution technique, not using network statement. So that route for your Palo Alto will become external route, right? And once it is now sending that route to R3, it was going to add metric? No. If you have selected E2, no, it will not add any metric. It will be constant that you are giving there. But in the case during redistribution, whatever metric you have decided, that metric will be added on the existed metric inside your routing table. So before sending to the neighbor. What and when that will be added? In the case you are selecting external one as a redistribution path. Getting it? So that was it only. Nothing very special. So in the case you are more concerned about, okay, show me using bigger topology, then I can show you, but not now. Definitely I'll be either giving you some recording like 5 minute, 2 minute, and you will be seeing it. No issue, yeah? Going good so far, sir?
Yes, yes.
And like we have taken routes from here, and sent that in this area. Not only that, this connected network also have gone inside it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Really good. I will not go more deeper than that, by the way. So if I'm going on R1, I will have BGP routes. I will have R4 behind network 10444, R3 behind network 10333, and definitely BGP routes like that is behind your R2 also will be inside our R1. Let me show you actually by running the command. R1 show IP route. See, sir. This is external one, like the connected with R2. This is for your R3. This is for your R4. Able to see, sir? All the people are here available. Yes, no? 10.3, 10.4. Huh? Yes. 11. 111 belong to R2.
Uh, all the routes are added due to
Exact.
distribution.
Everyone know about everyone. Yes.
All the routes are propagated.
I hope so. It was fun, huh? Good. Now, if this is done, let's like we have proper connectivity. We also have tested few firewall policies also before. It was working fantastic. That policy we made interzone policy, right? Now we are going to do something that is known as network address translation. And our agenda is if somebody from inside trying to go outside, what I'm saying if somebody from here wants to go this way, anyhow it will cross your firewall, and on firewall we are going to enable its NAT capability. We'll be enabling its feature of NAT. Already enabled, we will be configuring it. And what we will say, we will giving some certain rule. If somebody is coming as a source network this and going for this destination, translate source IP into something else. So the NAT that we are going to see, that we are saying here as source NAT. It means, let's suppose this body here 10.1.1.1, it is trying to go on 11.1.1.1. So destination IP will become 11.1.1.1. It will reach to your firewall. It will check what? It will check source IP, and for that IP you created NAT policy, and what you have said in the NAT policy, if somebody is coming from 10.1.1.0 network, take that body and translate that into some public IP, and that public IP we are going to decide. On the basis of that translation, we decide it as like dynamic NAT, dynamic PAT, static NAT, and static PAT. Main umbrella. Okay. If your source address if your source address initial packet, if your source address is getting translated, that NAT we call as source NAT. In initial time, if your destination IP is getting translated, this is known as destination NAT. Very simple definition. Yes, no?
Yes.
All right. So we are going to see today source NAT. And what is the agenda? If somebody, not somebody, if 10110 network user wants to go outside, it means if the flow is received on this interface and exiting from this interface as per the routing table. So what you do? You take this and then you check the source IP. If that belong to this network, take it and translate it with some public IP. That public IP we are going to define here. Okay, sir?
Okay.
We'll be going here. Now where you'll be getting NAT? Inside policies. Click on policy here on the top. Click on NAT now. Second option, and then you click on add, just like Cisco. And here you have option. I'm giving name as translate. You can say source NAT 10110/24. Do you want to give any description and tag? If you want, you can actually. This will be inside or what? That is totally fine. Not want to give? That's okay. If I want to give, I will give inside. Not wanted? Remove it. All the users belong to network 10110/24 should be translated from pool. That is, that pool is 192.1.10.51 to 100. Okay? Like 50 IP we are leveraging here. I'm putting here minus, man. Minus. Net type is IP before?
This is you are configuring dynamic NAT.
Yes, you're right. I'm giving pool. Okay.
Yes.
Now, this is just I'm giving description. So if somebody is seeing it, it will make sense. Now I will go and see original
Policy
packet.
understood.
Huh?
Policy can be understood by anyone from the
Yeah,
details.
correct. Now, where it will be received? Source zone, not any. You select your inside. By the way, it will be coming on inside. And destination zone, you need to select. That will be outside.
Outside.
Correct?
Yes.
And destination interface, make it
वो वाला जो इंटरफेस है
E1/2, I think.
मेरे को भी याद नहीं है, मैं चेक करना पड़ेगा.
E1/2. I most probably remember. And service any, like you can also do here, like for what service you want to allow that NAT. Getting it? Any or service HTTP, HTTPS or something else you want to make, you can make. But by the way, right now we are testing it. We are making it for any. Then after that, it is saying, now it is giving you option. What source? Like it, all things will be inspected then, na? Source, I'm going here and giving, we have net 10110 already.
Pool. Yes.
First of all, we are giving source address. Who is needs to be translated. So this I already have given. Destination. If the traffic is coming from this network and going where? Going anywhere. That's all right. Not restricting it, right? Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Then translate it. Translation type you have dynamic IP.
Dynamic IP.
This is known as dynamic NAT. If you will select dynamic IP and port, it will become dynamic PAT.
PAT, exactly.
Yes. Now go and select here dynamic IP. And now here it has option, destination address translation, translation type. Ignore it.
Dynamic IP.
And here translated address you need to put here. Click
pool,
on it.
192.
Yes, we can create full. Do you have any?
No, you have just mentioned over there, but not
You're right. You're right.
it made the pool.
It doesn't have any, so we need to create it. But in the destination source address translation, translate type this, translated address this, that's okay.
So whatever we have done, it will be unsaved. We have to do it
Destination address
again.
translation, dynamic IP session distribution, none. Static IP, we have static also, you see. Then here it has translation. You can create address from here also. Then after that, here also we can go and put it. So let me create some address, by the way. Pool I will create, by the way. Pool, pub pool. Pool, pub. Pub means public.
Mm.
And what is the range? That is 192.1.10.51.200. IPNet mask we can give here. Okay. Will it take range also?
Yes, I think.
IP range is here. You need to
IP
select
range
from
is there.
type.
Yes.
192.1.10.51. Oops, minus 92.1.10.100. Good. Yes. Tag you want to give, you can. Outside. Click on OK. Now translated address is this. From this pool it will be translating. Port, if you are making it blank, that's okay. It automatically will take it. All right, sir. Getting it?
Okay.
But so far it is not active. So you need to actually click on add. Translated address. Source address translation, dynamic IP.
I think you have done the destination IP address while we have to maintain the source IP as well. Source net.
Wait, sir. Where you are saying? Here? I am saying source zone will be inside.
Mm-hmm.
Source side and destination zone will be outside. Destination interface will be E1 by 2. Okay. I am giving 1 by 2 service any. Source I have given destination. Yeah, this is for destination address translation, by the way, that we are not doing. So destination address should be as it is, by the way. Translated packet, we are saying here dynamic IP. Translated address, nothing. What is there in the advanced one? Dynamic IP port. Translated address, interface. Yeah, here is also fallback. Interface address if you want to give. Or you have translated address. Man. This is in the case you want to give the IP from your
Pat.
exactly.
You are opting for Pat.
Yes, this is for PAT. You are right. Here is able to see it is showing the IP also.
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is not actually that one. Let's come back. Even this one is also not that. Okay. Should be none. LAN IP new. Translated address, source address. Okay. Okay. This should be done, by the way, it is saying. Destination address. Nothing. Here we need to anyhow give. So for that, why it is not let me give? Okay. Just a second, guy, sir. Here is the issue. Issue was here, sir. Okay, not there. You see here it was showing in red color. That is the good part actually from here. Okay, original one done. 10110 we have already given here. See completely what is this? All right. Translate into, let's suppose I'm deleting it and I'm going here and selecting now that one that we created. Na? So static IP, this is pub. That's okay. Not want to give. Round robin. Translated address. Okay. 10110 into this. Getting it, sir? Translated address, destination address translation.
Dynamic.
No issue. Let's do it. Try to click on commit. Let's see. Every time it is saying in virtual router, VR1 BGP router, ID is different than OSPF.
Yeah, I think it's a default one as a redistribution is already configured. Okay, it's done.
Done, I think, right?
Mm.
So we should have policy.
Yes.
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 So first of all, let's go inside our firewall. Hmm.
Sir, can you please
Make it
maximize
bigger.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Bilkul. See what we
Yes,
can.
yes, sir. Absolutely fine, sir. Yeah. Source is 10110. Dynamic IP pool is 51. Dynamic pool is 51 200. What?
The same thing it is showing
Round
here, by the
robin.
way.
Yes, yes. Round robin pool and everything is showing.
So running net policy translation policy address. So far nothing. Source is this, destination any. Okay. Cache net IP full system net rule IP releases. Okay. So many things are there.
Sir, the screen.
Again is small, although no issue.
Mm.
So in the case R1 wants to go outside, will it be able to go? That is the question. Can I ping to 11.1.1.1?
11.1.1.1.
We should have policy intact, right? Do we
Mm.
have? Let's check it. So if you just top of it, it is there showing allow into all. Yes, okay. But we have to go with 10.1.1, no, by the way. Because we are translating 10.1.1.1. If it is going, it means translation is working or not. Like we'll be testing it tomorrow, no issue. But anyhow, we configured it successfully and we'll be testing it tomorrow. Like source net, destination, and both will be seeing tomorrow in detail. Okay. Agenda is clear, right? Allow
Yes.
into
Okay.
all already there. So it should anyhow go there. DMZ 3, 4 and outside anywhere. It doesn't matter. But why it's not going, that we'll be checking tomorrow. We'll be rectifying it. Might be in the configuration there is some challenge or something there because it was not showing all the things properly. No issue. We'll see it. Okay. Today. Bye bye for today. Tomorrow
Oh.
means tomorrow will you be guys joining? Saturday. Tell me if you guys can.
Okay, from my side, you
Ramu?
can take consume from other people.
Ramu boss. Tell me. Do you want to join tomorrow also? Hello. He is not here, I think. Not an issue. Okay, sir. Bye for today. I hope so you got the concept, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Good night. Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night, everyone. Bye.